Once you have established your target audience, your value proposition, and your preferred platform, now is the time for you to grow the number of your community members. Growing a community can be a little bit intimidating, but here is a game plan for you to make it more achievable. There are 3 proven ways on how to grow a community: one-to-one communication, word of mouth, and distribution marketing. One-to-one communication involves 2 people talking to each other. It's like talking to a friend. So, this is the perfect way for you to go, especially when you are just starting out. Most community builders I see tends to create content and just focus on posting more and more content out there. But it is important to keep in mind to always find people who will consume it. An effective way for you to do this is by engaging in influencer community or any community that is related to your niche. You can engage through reactions, through comments, or you can also reach out to members via direct message. This establishes your credibility as a helpful member of the community without having to spam or sell too much. Next is word of mouth. This is also known as referrals, where members voluntarily share the value of your community or what your community is all about. Again, this is voluntarily. Now you might ask, how will my members actually start doing this on their own? You need to think of 2 things. First is quality. People will only share things that are relevant to them. So make sure that you provide the best value that you can. Next is if they are convinced. Ask yourself, have you positioned your community clearly? Is your value clear? Make sure that it's easy to bring up during relevant conversations. At nasio, you can enable your members to share more about your community through discount codes. Generate discount codes for subscriptions, paid events, or paid contents that you have exclusively for your members. Another thing you can try, as community manager, you can also gamify referrals. Reward people who brings in more people. Last is distribution marketing. This is the art of getting the attention from an established or bigger community back to your own community. Think of it as collaborating with established thought leaders so that you can get like-minded people and funnel them in your own ecosystem. At nasio, you can do this in 2 easy ways. You can either feature a famous person in a newsletter or an announcement. You can host a live or physical event where you invite somebody who will share about their knowledge, their expertise through a series of masterclass or a course or even a fireside chat. So when trying to grow your community, always remember, do not wait for members to come to you. You have to go to them. But always make sure that you are chasing after the right group of people who will find value in what you do and what your community has to offer.